Are you aiming for BPSC Prelims 2021? Do you think you're all set to tackle the competition of Bihar PCS Prelims Exam 2021? Well, you need to keep your worries aside because we at Edukemy are bringing a new initiative for you. This is known as Preparation Kit for BPSC Prelims 2021. If you take up this kit, you're going to avail benefits worth rupees 24,000 in just 1,000 rupees. So, what do you get if you take up this preparation kit? First of all, 20 full-length tests. Secondly, 5-year past year questions with solutions. Next, 40 videos of GS for Indian economy, history, polity, and geography covering entire NCERT. You also get PSIR, PDFs, and videos. Also, next in line are around 1,500 one-liner current affairs related to India and Bihar-specific GK. And not only this, you also avail the advantage of getting a good initiative of Edukemy known as final pages for your mains and subjective writing. And in the end, you get past 2 years current affairs coverage for your GS preparation. Let me also tell you something very interesting. If you are part of this initiative, you get around 50% discount for our UPSC Prelims 2022 test series and around 15% discount if you take up any online course of Edukemy. So, if you want the full coverage or holistic coverage through our test series or mentorship through our Telegram group, then please join us and be a part of this initiative. Remember, तैयारी आपकी, जिम्मेदारी हमारी.